Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. Are you looking to create a professional and impressive CV? Of course, to showcase your skills and experience to potentially be employed. You don't need to hire a designer or spend money on expensive templates. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create a CV for free using online tools and resources, including how to choose the right format, organization of your information, and make your CV stand out. So, without further talking, let's dive in and create a CV that will help you land your dream job in 2023. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, in this video specifically, we will go like simply the easiest way or the longest way of making a CV, and it will be 100% free. It will not take like so much money, so much time or money. It will be completely free and it will not take like more than 10 minutes. So all you need to do first is find the correct format of CV. So let's search for CV template, free to use. So as you can see here, you can create your CV in here for free. So in case you'd like to make your CV or etc., you can just go here and create it. So let me just translate this to, I don't think they have the English version, but overall, like this is the page if you translate it to English using traduction of your browser. Now create a resume, and here simply all you have to do, so let's translate it to English once more. So I will try to explain everything in English so you can know what to do. So here you have to put the family name, here your name, here your address. So let's start with family name. So let's try, for example, here something like that, and here let's drag an image so we can download an image from our PC. And let's go and drag, for example, this cat image. So as you can see, here we go, confirm. And this is how it's gonna look like in your CV. So everything right here is gonna be added here. So I will show you more about it. So title, so let's add here, for example, something like that. Manager, for example, or student. So we can add here student. Here your phone number. So it's gonna be something like that. As you can see, it has been added over here. If you'd like to add the others, etc., it's not really necessary, but in case you'd like to add it, you can add it. From here, keep it um, without any address. Here, if you have like anything to add from where you were born, your gender, leg dance, if you have a website, anything about around that, you can add it through here. Here first, if you'd like to add an experience, like professional experience, you can add through here. So let's say that, for example, or let's go to first to formation. I would like to go to formation first. So let's go here, formation. So, for example, System High School, private, something like that, Superior University of Management. This is just an example. Management, here Tangier, here the date where you have started and where you have ended. So let's go, for example, to 2023, and I'm going to end in, for example, 2025. This is just a simple example. So here at the description, so you had experience, etc., etc., etc. You add it here, and it will be shown in here. So here you add on done, and it will be added over here. So this is like an example of how it's gonna look like. Of course, here, for example, if you have any languages to add, you can here choose the languages. For example, English. I have like a good, decent amount of English. Arabic. I like to make it like that. French. You can make it around this. And Spanish, for example. And of course, guys, the more languages you have in your CV, the more attracted you will be. So make sure to learn the like the most language that you know, so you can have higher chances to be employed in the job. So this is really important to have more languages than other candidates. And simply, if you'd like to change the actual font, you can make it here small, you can make it X large. I would like to keep it X large because it is much better. Here you can change the actual font to whatever you feel like. So I would like to choose this Calibri. Here the actual like the space between the lines, so we can make it 1.5 or 1.25. It is all up to you. And of course finally here the colors, so you can choose like everything here is completely adjustable. You can do whatever you like and change whatever you think looks bad. And finally here you can add some courses, stages that you have went through, your quality certificate that you have. You can even add images, like literally you can add images to your CV, but I don't really encourage you to do that because it is not like professional to have images in your CV. Of course I have here like the image of the cat. It's not professional at all, but you know guys, this is just an example, so don't try to copy me. It's gonna be so much bad. Oh, all right, it has English. Look, I found it. Oh my god. Anyway, so as you can see here, so these are the person these are I've showed you. So headline, phone number, address, etc. So these are the education. The let me just close this. So Spanish, French, etc. Here your education. I have added it. If you have any profile to add it, so you can add it over here. It will be add here. If you have any skills, you can add the skill here. Let's add, for example, Microsoft Office. So you can add it. Done. And as you can see, it has been done. And finally, when you feel like you are done with the CV and everything looks good, you can just click here to download it. Add your email, click on next, and finally you will have like to pay around $1. So what do I do in that case? Simply what I do in that case is I literally go over here and I take a screenshot. Like literally that's what I do. I take a screenshot and I cut it. So you can just go here to use this tool and try to take a screenshot of the CV. So that's literally what I do to take like a free CV from anywhere. Now I can click here to save it, and I can save it in the desktop as CV, and it will be in the PNG form. So now I will go to our website, which gonna to PDF. It's gonna convert PNG to PDF. So let's do to this, select, and let's go to my desktop and choose the CV. So it's gonna be somewhere around here, I think. So here it is. And simply now, let's go and make it as a CV. So combine here, and as you can see, it has become like a literal CV. So now to make sure that you can edit it or something like that, let's say that you want to edit the CV later on, you can go to this website, which is sejda.com. Let's try to change the language. So let me just go here, English. I don't think they have an English version, unfortunately. So what you can do is simply go ahead and drag the actual CV. So simply like so, drag it over here. So let me just click, go here, and let's go to quick access. I think, just drag it. Let me just try. Please select the PDF file. Oh, right, I didn't download it. Wait. So it's gonna be around here. Downloads, showing folder, and let me just drag it real quick. So here it is. So now as you can see, you can literally type on it, do whatever you'd like. So you can adjust anything in this page. So if you'd like to adjust anything, you can just go here and click on the right and do literally whatever you feel like. So yeah guys, this is completely it. I hope you like this video and thank you a lot for watching till now.